Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to use all the options in your live Insta session. This video is going to tell you about all the options in your live session so that you are all set and ready whenever you start a live. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just go to your Instagram app that has been pre-installed on your device. As you click on the app, you'll see this screen. Now from this screen, what you have to do is just go on the add-on section and click on the live. This is your live section. To start the live, you just have to click on the live icon and hold on a second. The app will check your connection, and after that, as you can see, you are live. Now, let's explore some of the features. First, we'll start with the camera add-on icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. So, what we'll do is, we'll just click on this video icon, and from this section, you'll receive all the requests of the people, of the audience, whoever wants to join your live session. Right now, you do not have any requests as such, but this is the section where you'll receive all the requests from the people who tend to join. Because in Instagram, you can join 2 people or 3 people can join. Now, the other option is invite to join. Now, in this section, you have the opportunity, you have the chance to invite or add people, whoever wants to join your Insta Live. If you wish anybody, you can just anyone to join your Instagram live with you. You have that option, so you'll just enter any of the names and you can just add it on. Now the next option is message with the question mark symbol. As you click on it, right now you have no questions. In this section, you'll receive a questionnaire from people who are watching your live, so you can easily look for questions or doubts from the people and answer them accordingly. That's it. And now let's check out the right hand section of the screen, the upper right hand section. The first is, as you can see, the first is mute and unmute. So from this tab, you can easily mute or unmute your live. Your video will be visible. So yeah, for now, I'll just unmute it. Now the next is the camera video icon. Now from this option, you can mute or unmute your video. Now mute is just like, if you cross the video out, people will see your profile icon, and if you turn the video on, then they'll see you. Now the other is camera, the switching of the camera screen. So it'll just help you to switch the camera from the front camera to the back camera. And the next section is the sprinkles one. From this section, as you can see from the down, you will have a lot of filters that you can put in the front camera or in the back camera, as and when you please to. So that's about it. Now there's one more section which says add a comment in the bottom of the screen. From this section, you can add comments and talk to people on your Insta Live. There's another icon that says right arrow at the bottom right. From this section, you can easily and directly send your Insta Live messages or your Insta Live information to others, so that they get to know, then get notified that you're live. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you. Thank you.